Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can you heat up oat milk? Most commercial brands of oatmeal milk can be heated just like any other non-dairy milk. The homemade version will thicken when heated, but I've found that adding the optional oil prevents it from thickening too much to use as a creamer or in an oat milk latte. 25 April 2019.
Take our lead.
Oat milk contains tryptophan, a sleep-supporting amino acid, and they've got a bit of protein in them which can keep you feeling full and prevent any after-dinner snacking. Simply blend the milk together with calming rose water and a little pinch of warming spices for a dreamy bedtime drink. 4 March 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to tell if oat milk is bad. Check consistency. If the liquid is chunky or pretty thick, it's gone. Consider the color. If the milk alternative has turned yellow instead of creamy, discard it. Perform a sniff test. Your good old nose is an excellent detector of spoiled foods. Use it. Taste it. The 18th of December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.